I changed to a finesse reaper. It's a charcoal with red flake. Let's see if it'll attract the fish. Might not, but we'll just try. I didn't put any weight on there. Or it's a... Got one. Got one. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, it's a big one. Don't snap the line. Don't snap the line, Bass. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yep. Oh, come on over here. Come on over here. Check it out. That's why I changed to a finesse reaper. See this? From the whopper plopper. The whopper plopper wasn't doing very good, so I just changed to a reaper and it did really good. I knew one was hiding in there. It's just too good to not catch one. Oh, it's got to be every bit of 15 inches. Just off a little finesse reaper, just a little one. No weight on there either. I should have put a little weight on it, but I decided not to. And that's what I got. That's the result of it. So it's a good fish. It's a good first fish. It's a good start of the day. And the release in there. Come on, buddy.